Alright, so I have another layout, which is the background for Basil cardstock. Yep.
Yeah, you can't have that much. I'm trying to get it.
Yeah.
Now that's possible. Let's see.
Oh, because she always ahead and gets them all ready, but they don't come one at a time. And which one is this one? Okay.
She might have done
So that multicolored print is from Pink Paisley, Paige Evans, Horizon 14. The purple pattern is the reverse size, Horizon 14. And then that pink pattern is Pink Paisley Joyful Pink Fresh Studio Joyful Day. The blue layer is also Pink Fresh Studio Joyful Day. And the orange layer is from the reverse side of the Pink Paisley Paige Evans Horizon 15. And this is Alex and Mateo.
which is me.
Yeah, which is you. As I believe this picture is for the one I went to see you. The washi tape is from my stash. The Oh Snap card is an old Project Life add-on kit from Hip Kit Club. I was trying to figure out if I wanted to do the same washi tape in the corner or different, and I decided that the same. Mateo, stop! And I apologized. I think I leave because Patton lays on my layout, so I quit filming until he leaves.
Yeah.
And now my layers are down.
Here.
Yep. So I am going to use one of these label stickers. Yep.
But he's not playing. So. Dang it. That's how much keys I need.
And so I use the clear sticker from Crate Papers, All Heart. And I want to say I used one, but being it's clear, I had to find one that will show up on the camera.
Really, it doesn't do what it needs to. It goes when I try to do that and then do that, and goes in the same sandwich.
Yeah, no, you can't do one at a time. You have to do, if it needs a tomato and then a cheese, you have to do the tomato and then hurry up and give it to the customer, then do cheese and give it to the customer. Otherwise, it's going to be do cheese and tomato in the same sandwich. I know that irritates me too. Alright, so the die cuts are Hip Kit Club's exclusive ephemera Chasing Rainbows, and that is what I use on this layout. And Such a Peach die cut from that Chasing Rainbows from Hip Kit Club is what I use for my title.
I'm a flying rainbow.
And here I pull out if this is May, that was April kit.
Again, it did it.
I know, I told you you have to do one at a time. You cannot do a cheese and then a tomato separately. Alright, and then that is pretty much all I decide to use. And now it's just a matter of gluing them down. And my glue is clogged, and so when I try to get it right, it get it to work. It all oozed out, so.
I would do crazy shit as that one.
Oh.
Coconut where I'm almost getting for it's easy because it's getting close to the donut.
Mhm.
Then it will be all easy again.
Yeah. Alright, so once I get the die cuts down, that is pretty much going to complete my layouts. So when I have more done, I will certainly be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys.
We're
Bye.
going to Ian's beach.